Hi, I just got my package from CompUSA. It's my new Eee PC 1000, so let's do an unboxing. This is a mini laptop to complement my brand new HP DV7 1025 NR, which I just got as a replacement unit because my previous laptop fell down the stairs and I have a warranty or accidental damage with Best Buy. So I got a replacement for that. I got this Eee PC. Let's see how you open. Oh, you just gotta pull this tab, and then this goes out. So let's see. All right. So quick user guide. Probably just basic instructions. Don't need that. Now this is the 40 gig solid state drive option on it. Wow. I've been waiting for one of these for a while now, like 3 months. $700 though, pretty pricey. Let's open the baby. No, I'm just kidding. Nice glossy, shockproof SSD design.
Oh,
Here is the keyboard.
this is the Eee PC.
Wow, I knew it would be a good keyboard on the 1000. I wanted to get the 901, but then I was like, I don't want a laptop with a crappy keyboard, so I got the 1000. And I wanted the 40 gig solid state drive because I didn't want to buy another memory card. I had a 16 gig ready for my 901 a long time ago. Anyways, this is a sleeve case. You just put it in. I already bought a case. Should be coming soon. Warranty card. Support CD. Linux recovery CD. I'm going to be wiping Linux, putting Vista on it, probably putting Ubuntu on a partition, because I heard the Linux OS on it is not that great. This is the battery. Oh,
That's a small
battery
battery.
instruction manual thing.
Very small battery.
Very small but very powerful. This thing lasts 7 point something hours on the 1000 if you have it underclocked on the Atom to 1.2 gigahertz, because the Atom can be overclocked and underclocked with one button. One of these 4 buttons over here. I believe it's this one or this one. I'm not sure, but it overclocks the processor to 1.8 gigahertz.
Don't you mean under?
No, it overclocks and underclocks. 1.8 at the top and 1.2 at the bottom. Stock it's 1.6. So I'm gonna put the battery in.
This looks big on the camera, but in real life it's pretty small.
Alright, let's put the battery in. There's 2 battery locks. I don't understand why they need 2. Like my other laptop has 1 battery lock on the bottom. See how it's got that switch like that? Why couldn't they do that? Now, let's hope this gets excellent battery life like they say it does. My new laptop, that one over there, it's a Centrino 2. You can watch my other unboxing video for that. That thing gets insane battery life for a 17-inch. It gets like 3.5 hours. The one I had before it got only 2. This thing supposedly gets 7.
Yeah.
Power it up. So you get all these LEDs down here. You get the power LED, and so here's the BIOS post message. Alright, starting system. License agreement. I agree with the license. This is a very nice touchpad. I like how it feels. People say they don't like it. This is also a multi-touch touchpad, if you don't know that, which is really cool because you get to zoom into images and stuff. Name, Sam. Next. Password. Do you have to have a password?
I guess so.
And what's the date?
It's 8/20.
Oh.
Watch.
Next. Finish. Now it has a 1.3 megapixel camera. I think it has a built-in. It should have a built-in mic if it has like webcam. So here's the OS.
Oh, it has a webcam.
Internet, work, learn, play, settings. Oh yeah, auto high performance. I don't know if you saw that a second ago, but that is the overclocking. Well, oh, I think this is for an external monitor. This one, I don't know what this one does. Oh, I think it's the resolution.
Cool.
Let me change it back to normal. This one right here, super performance, high performance, power saving. That's probably 1.2 gigahertz. Auto high performance. I'm just gonna put it at super. That's probably 1.8. I don't know what this fourth button. Maybe it's just a customizable button. But man, this thing is so sleek and nice and lightweight, man. I also bought for it. Here's my external DVD burner. It uses 2 USB cables, one for power, one for, it's a USB mini B that goes in the back, just like that, and they run off bus powered. A media card reader, because that one only has SD, and this also does SDHC. I don't have any SDHC readers in my desktop. I do in my laptop, but not my desktop. So when I need to copy something from my E's, if I do get a 32 gig port, I will. Then I could just copy it with this. Some headphones. This came with that Microsoft keyboard right there. I don't use that. I use a Logitech mouse, so I got this mouse for it. This was a stupid move on my part. I was originally going to buy an E900. This is how long I've wanted an E. And then the 901 came out, but I already bought a Bluetooth accessory for it. The mini Bluetooth thing. I don't even need this. You know? And then I got this
RAM,
2 gigs of RAM, because I'm going to be running Vista on there.
yeah.
I actually also got this 32 gig flash drive for it. These are freaking cheap. It was like $160, and it's waterproof, shockproof, whatever. At least it says so on Newegg. It's by OCZ. They make the best, at least to me, the fastest flash drive I've ever owned. Not this one, but this one is really, really fast. But the fastest one I have is a 4 gig from them.
Look at this.
See, here's the 4 gig I got from them last year for $50, back when 4 gigs were $50. It's a Rally Square. This thing is so fast. God, if you put it in ready boost mode for Vista, it's like you added 4 gigs of RAM. Not 4 gigs. It's like you have an extra gig of RAM in there.
The cap, it has a cap holder. Look.
Yep, that thing's awesome. Built-in Bluetooth and wireless and networking, which I love because now this is a netbook. So since its storage is low, I mean on this model it's pretty much the most you can get for a solid state, and that's running Firefox. But since it's so low, it's supposed to be for basic internet tasks, and it's like a cloud computer. You're supposed to store everything in the cloud, like Google Docs and stuff like that, Zoho, stuff like that, just to save all your stuff online. If you hit the home button in the Linux OS, it just takes you home. Not like hitting the start button. I did start D and I thought it worked, but no, that's just a Windows thing, start D. It's got a really good keyboard. I expected, in the pictures it doesn't look that small, I mean that big, but here it looks plenty big, you know, especially for a netbook. It's very small, very thin. Of course the glossy isn't exactly the best idea for a netbook, you know. You're going to be carrying this thing around all the time. That's why they give you this case, but still, let's put it in there. Oh, wow, I like the material on this case. It's like that suede material. It says E. I don't really exactly like this new E logo. I mean, it's not a new E logo, but it used to say Asus or something, and I know that it said Asus right here instead of EPC. It looked so much better there. But
Yeah, probably on the 9.
oh, it does have dual mics. See,
Sweet.
I thought there was a hidden mic up here, but dual mics. See,
Dual mics.
Stereo mics.
2 mics.
So let's see how this fits in there. Really small laptop, easy for carrying around. It's like a mini-me of my other laptop, you know. But see, this is just, I could bring it around anywhere with me. I could, you know, throw it around. It's just a throw around laptop for small tasks.
And plus, since it's solid state, if you drop
see,
it,
I could just be like, walk out the door with this. But of course, I have all these accessories now. So what I did was I bought a case that holds them all. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this for a while. It does have a Kensington slot for a lock. I don't use that, but one reason I picked the 1000 over the 901 is it's much thinner. The reason why is because it's more spread out. This is a weird interface, but I'm gonna be putting Vista Home Premium on here probably today with the external optical drive. That concludes my unboxing of the Eee PC 1000 40 gig